9:48 and I'm in the car with Drake and Sydney, and we are going on another road trip. Alright, so right now we're in the car, Drake is driving, and we're basically somewhere in an undisclosed location in the middle of Salida, and I mean, it's kind of in the middle of Salida. Anyway, apparently there's a crater out here that we want to go check out. Supposedly, I don't know, 50 years ago or something like that, there was just like an explosion or something. They don't know if it was like caused from old dynamite from like a mine or house.
A few moments later.
Jake, Sydney, and I right now are just walking up this trail. You can kind of see we're just kind of, oh, there's Jake. Oh, Sydney, you cut the shot off. It's just kind of this trail up in the mountains in Salida somewhere. It's actually really nice weather up here. It's about 70 degrees, sunny, and we ran into these old people back, I don't know, like 2 miles back down the trail, and they actually live out here. They have a really nice cabin out here. It's actually for sale. We were thinking about buying it and like pooling our resources. No. But then we decided that we don't have $1 million right now. So if you could please like and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe,
yeah.
Click the bell.
So we can buy
our merch.
We don't have merch yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Merch coming soon, 2021. Be ready for it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just out here in nature, just going for a nice walk. Just, I don't know, just having a good time. And we will keep you updated once we get to the campsite.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we made it up to the top of the mountain. As you can see, the view here is just like absolutely amazing. Alright, so we just made it off the top of the mountain. It was pretty cool. We ran into a rattlesnake on the way down. We just found a rattlesnake here, and he is not happy. He's a big dude. Holy shit. Drake almost stepped on it. It was pretty intense there for a second, but I don't know, we just kind of like left it alone, and it was kind of under a log, so I don't know, I think it was probably okay, but he was just kind of, I think he was out sunning himself actually.
Right here. Is it right here?
And we just got to our camp spot right here, so we just had the drone up for a little bit, got some quick drone shots, and we're gonna go ahead and park, set up camp, and then probably eat dinner because it's 5:36 and we're all getting kind of hungry.
2,000 years later.
Sydney, what do you have to say to the vlog?
Setting up the tent went very smoothly. No problems, no complaints.
No complaints. Drake is bringing all the stuff. Drake,
Dude,
what kind of stuff do you have, Drake?
I got the shit mat.
Shit mat.
Yeah. It shit.
What else?
David is gonna have the air mattress tonight,
Yes, sir.
and he is gonna be all comfortable, except he's gonna complain in the morning about his neck. So.
Hey Guys, what's up? So this is the ultimate position to sit when you're in a car. You have support for your legs right here, and you're kind of reclined. And when you have a bad driver, which Drake is a good driver, but if he was a bad driver, you could hold on, and it's like you're in a roller coaster, so you cannot fall out.